Some golf courses challenge your swing. Others speak to your spirit. Nestled at the base of the White Tank Mountains in Buckeye, Arizona, just 25 miles west of downtown Phoenix, Verrado Golf Club is where both meet. A place where desert beauty, mountain air, and championship golf combine to create an experience you'll never forget. Verrado isn't just another round in the desert. It's a journey. A course built into the natural ridges and foothills of the Sonoran landscape, where each hole feels like its own private discovery. Wide open skies, towering saguaros, and fairways that seem to roll on forever. Designed by PGA Tour legend Tom Lehman and architect John Fott, Verrado's Founders Course offers a masterful blend of challenge, scenery, and playability. It's a layout that rewards bold decisions and invites creativity, with dramatic elevation changes and panoramic views that stop you in your tracks. No two holes feel the same, yet the rhythm of the course is seamless. It's no wonder Verrado has been ranked among Arizona's top public golf courses. With its pristine conditions, thoughtful design, and breathtaking natural setting, it's a favorite among locals and traveling golfers alike. You'll face wide fairways with strategic bunkering, sloping greens that test your short game, and risk-reward par 5s that tempt even the most disciplined player. And then there's the Victory Course, Verrado's second 18, also designed by Lehman. Slightly shorter, more forgiving, and just as beautiful, Victory offers a relaxed alternative that still packs personality and challenge. Perfect for a second round or a lighter day, it complements the Founders Course like a perfect encore. But what truly sets Verrado apart isn't just the courses, it's the setting. Surrounded by untouched desert, the feeling is peaceful, pure, and immersive. No homes lining the fairways, no distractions. Just you, the course, and the vast Arizona sky. When the round ends, the experience continues at the Verrado Grill, located in the Craftsman-style clubhouse. With expansive patios, locally inspired cuisine, and spectacular mountain views, it's the kind of place where time slows down. Whether you're sipping a post-round cocktail or enjoying dinner under the stars, the atmosphere is always warm, elevated, and quietly luxurious. Nearby accommodations range from charming boutique stays to upscale resort options in the greater Phoenix area, giving you flexibility and comfort no matter your travel style. Plus, with hiking trails, scenic drives, and small-town charm just minutes away, there's more to explore than just the scorecard. Planning a golf trip here is easier than ever with golfpackedtravel.com. Their expert team understands what makes courses like Verrado special and how to design the perfect getaway around it. From tee times and lodging to insider tips and exclusive rates, they handle every detail with care. Because at Verrado, the magic is in the balance. The beauty of nature, the integrity of the design, and the quiet joy of playing around that stays with you long after the sun sets behind the mountains. Visit golfpackedtravel.com to book your trip to Verrado Golf Club and discover where Arizona golf truly comes to life.